This is how to use NFC on iPhone without the confusion. If you want to use your iPhone for things like Apple Pay or scanning NFC tags, here's what you need to know. First, there is no switch to manually turn NFC on or off. On supported iPhones, NFC is enabled automatically in the background. If you have an iPhone XS or newer, including iPhone 13 and above, your device already has an NFC reader built in. For Apple Pay, all you need to do is double-press the side button and hold your phone near the payment terminal. Now, if you want to scan NFC tags manually, like stickers or smart tags, you can use the Shortcuts app. Swipe to the app library, search for Shortcuts, and open it. This is a default Apple app. At the bottom, tap Automation, then tap Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and select NFC, then tap Scan. Your iPhone will say Ready to Scan. When you hold your phone near an NFC tag, it will detect it immediately and let you name the tag. Keep in mind, iPhones can scan NFC tags, but they cannot read credit or debit card information. Payment cards only work through Apple Pay for security reasons. That's how NFC works on iPhone. If this was useful, subscribe for more iPhone tips like this.